I've received few questions on the trading that we have. So these are the question. So I'll go through one by one. So question one, I have deposit US dollar 2000 early this week and my account dropped to US dollar 1800. So do I need to top up my balance? So this is my answer. So you do not need to top up yet because the main focus is to monitor your margin level. So make sure your margin level is not below 500%. Your margin level is basically at your phone MT4, which you can monitor closely. Is underneath your free margin, and there's a line called margin level percentage. So make sure that level is not below 500%. And it is the ratio. So what is margin level? Margin level is indicate how healthy is your account. So it is the ratio of your equity to use margin of your open position indicate as a percentage. The formula is equity divided by use margin times 100. So this is the calculation. And the higher the margin, the less possibility for the trader to face a stop out. If you do not understand any what is the definition of stop out? It means that broker will start to close traders' least profitable open position. Worst case, broker will wipe out all the balance in traders' account to zero. So in short, you do not need to top up your balance if your margin level is above 500%. And if your margin level is around 600%, you can just let me know. Okay. Second, so you can check the stop up percentage in RoboForex under trading, and you go to more about account types, and there's a level here, stop up 10%. So actually, we have considered a lot more higher than whatever that is set in RoboForex. So their stop up is 10%. So we are actually higher than that. Okay. Question 2. How long it will take to rebound back from loss to profit? So this is a question that I wish I know. But no one can predict the future. For probability trading, we are looking at least 3 months average result rather than 1 week result. So because in long run, losing and winning streaks will even out each other. As long as you have the right sizing of your own RPT, you are fine. So your RPT stands for risk per trade. And risk per trade is calculated with your decided total capital divided by 30. That will be your RPT. So third question. This week, I have seen 10 losses in a row. Should I reduce my copy mode? It is entirely up to you. Okay, you can upsize or downsize wherever you want to. And but please take note that the expectancy will only surface after 3 months of trading activity. And result in 1 week is not sufficient because you could not get your average win rate. And if you want to reduce or increase your RPT, you can do it. But you need to maintain your new set of RPT for minimum of 3 months. Then only you can obtain your average win rate or result. Okay, this is the answer for question 3. Question 4. I have seen your trading history in copyfx.com. Previous weeks have been performing. Why is this week win rate so low? Okay, there are weeks that it will have winning streaks, and there will weeks there will be losing streaks. It is completely normal. It's like when you go to casino, there's a streaks of if you play big and small. So you will have dice come out a series of big numbers or a series of small numbers if you go to casino. Right? So this is this is according to JFC Dragonfly strategy. These are all the actual result, starting from April, May, June, July, August until the last week. So you can see that we have actually have a losing streak before end of April and May, right? And also we have here September and June. So even we have a 0% win rate, this doesn't mean that in the long run we will lose. Okay, these are the bad week, and we also have a good week, right? So I do not know when the good week will come. As long as we keep consistent, the result will be positive. So question 5, I thought your win rate is 60 to 70%. Why is this win rate is less than break-even win rate? Does it mean that your strategy will not be profitable anymore? Win rate in 1 week is completely random and unpredictable. So the only way to justify win rate is you need to have minimum 150 trades or 3 months activity. So I do not know what will happen in the future, but based on my past history, which is this, JFC had went through losing streaks, which is this, right? And it is now still profitable when we look at bigger picture. Conservatively, we are looking at 10 to 15% return on investment per month. So these are the screenshot of my history, and as you can see that these are the fine details of when I traded back to June, late of June 26 until June 29. There's a losing streaks, right? And the losing streak which you can see here is this one. So this is the losing streak. Of course, after few trades, there's a winning trade as well, right? So this is the losing streak, losing streak, losing streak. So there's a losing streaks, as you can see. Let me magnify here, here, here. So there's losing streaks along the way. This doesn't mean that it will go to zero, okay, in the long run. So as long as we are consistent in our trading setup and trading condition, it will eventually go upwards. And these are the winning streaks after June. These are the up. So it's like when you want to go up a hill, there's a rest area for you to rest before you go to another peak, right? So this week we have a losing streaks, okay, and who knows what will happen, so we just need to be consistent. Question 6, I have seen some of the trades when profit of 1.5R until 1.8R, meaning the the trade has been gone above break-even price, even to $100 for those who trade $100 per risk per trade. So some observe that it went up to 1.5 to 1.8. So why don't you close it or take profit? Or can I close the trade myself? Okay, if you log in with investor password, you can't close the trade yourself. You need to log in with your account password, then only you can manually close the trade. So please take note that if you close the trade yourself, our end result of account will never be the same. Okay, because we are using different point of exit. Next, this week has been bad, almost 10 losing streaks. What should I do? So there are three options here. Option 1, 2, 3. So option 1 is continue with your risk per trade. Keep copying, monitor closely, and let me know if your margin level hit lower than 600%. Option 2, reduce your risk per trade to a level that you are really comfortable. Please take note that if you reduce, it will take longer time to recover back to your capital. As lower risk per trade, you will get lower reward. Okay, option 3. What you can do is unsubscribe me, and I'm totally fine with it. So what you need to do is you click this and go to your copy mode page and click unsubscribe from trader. Right? Q8. I understand losses are part of the game, but how long should I hold on to this copying in order to see my returns? And you can refer to question 5 answers. Same, I have deposit USD 2006. My balance dropped to 1,200 because of 10 losing streaks. This is in this week. What should I do? Refer to question 7 answers. It's the same actually. Question 10. Will you consider more position per day in order to gain back our capital quickly? No, definitely not. I will stick to my own rules, my original rules on enter and exit. I will only take valid setup which comply to the condition of JFC Dragonfly entry and exit rules. Question 11. I think this forex copying is not for me. What should I do? Can I stop? Yes, you can just unsubscribe me by following the step below. So I've set RPT at $100 per trade. I'm very stressed when I see rate. Yes, everyone stressed. But don't look at your phone. So the solution is don't look at your phone so frequent. Okay. Alternatively, you can relook into 2 solutions below. So if your heartbeat pump too fast when you see red, the best way is to recalculate your risk per trade. Only you know what is the right risk per trade. Or solution 2. You can just unsubscribe me by following the step below. Question 13. Is the forex trading all like that? Up, and down in a few seconds? Yes, welcome to Forex World. Because markets active 24 hours from Monday to Friday and market close on Saturday and Sunday. So average in 2019, the transaction of forex market amount to almost 6.6 trillion US dollar average in a day. So this is the reason why. Could it be your result since day one is pure luck? Result in 1 day or 1 week or 1 month is considered random. Result in 3 months and above is not luck, but it is high probability trading. That is why casino operates 24/7, because they know that they will profit in longer term, not in short term. And they need to execute more games to get their win rate or positive expectancy. Okay, so typically we are looking at 150 trades and minimum 3 months trading activity. Last question. I heard a lot of people trading in Forex and have their account burn out. Have you experienced the same? Will it happen to my account? Okay, many traders, new traders without risk management, okay, without knowing their RPT, will eventually burn their account regardless any amount. And majority, their account burn is when especially they trade during major event like bank interest rate announcement, election, and NFP. Okay, yes, I have experienced back in 2016 when I first trade without any knowledge. And it will happen to you if you trade by your own without risk management knowledge and experience. What I can say is keep monitor your account and let me know if your account margin level drop to a range of 500 to 600%. That's the time to make a decision whether you should continue or not. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please help to like, share, and subscribe. Be bold, be consistent. I'll see you in the next video.